Who's winning the AI robot wars and who'll hit the market first in 2025? AI robots, are they Elon's next biggest billion-dollar win? Or is China about to steal the show? Right now, the race is on. Tesla's Optimus figures sleek bots, and China's Unitree are battling to dominate the AI robot wars. Billions are on the line, and everyone's asking who's winning and who will get these humanoids into factories and homes first. Let's break it down with the latest moves, hard data, and a peek at 2025. Stick around. This could change how you could see the future of your business or even your living room. Let's set the stage. April 2025, and the AI robot wars are heating up. Tesla's Elon Musk is making noise, claiming his Optimus bot will have thousands working in Tesla factories by year end. Think 5,000 units. But Tesla's Q1 sales dropped 13%, 336,681 cars, partly from boycotts over Musk's Trump ties, raising eyebrows about his focus. Meanwhile, China's Unitree Robotics is flexing. Its G1 bot jumped 1.4 meters, a record for its size. And they're already selling to consumers via JD.com. Figure AI, backed by OpenAI and NVIDIA, is gearing up too. Their Figure O2 bots start full-time at BMW's South Carolina plant this year. Then there's the U.S. economy shaking things up. Trump's tariffs, 10% on imports and 60% on China. Tank stocks like Meta and Google. Robotics isn't immune. Supply chain costs are spiking. Online, AI robots, and humanoid robotics are trending hard. People want to know who's ahead. Statistica pegs the AI robotic market at $22.5 billion in 2025, with a 23.37% growth rate to $64 billion by 2030. This isn't just tech hype, it's a global showdown. So who's got the edge right now? Let's rank the players. Tesla's Optimus is a front runner. Musk's promising over 1,000 bots in 2025, and his We Robot event last October showed them pouring drinks and chatting. But critics say it's still teleoperated, not fully autonomous. And Tesla's custom motors and sensors lag behind promises. Still, Musk's vision of $20,000 bots long-term keeps him in the game. Next, Figure AI. They're killing it quietly. Their Figure O2 bots, powered by OpenAI's Smart, work 4x faster and 7 times more accurately than last year's pilot. BMW's deal proves they're factory ready, and a $350 million raise from Google and others say cash isn't a problem. They're not flashy, but they're delivering. Unitree Robots from China is the wild card. Their G1 is mass production ready, sold briefly online, and BYD's using them in EV plants. China's government wants production at scale by 2025. And with 70% of the supply chain, costs are plummeting. They're not as polished as Tesla, but they're fast and cheap. Others, Agility Robotics, Digit is Spank's warehouse via GXO, and Apptronics Apollo got $350 million from Google. Both solid but niche. Boston Dynamics Atlas wows and flips, but it's not mass marketed yet. Right now, Tesla leads on hype, Figure on execution, and Unitree on speed. So, who hits the market first in 2025? My bet's on Unitree Robotics, and here's why. China's got the edge, state backing, EV supply chains, and a move fast, break things vibe. Unitree's G1 is already out there. Rough, sure, but solid to consumers and factories. Tesla's Optimus is ambitious, but Musk's juggling X, Doge, and a sales slump. Delays are likely, maybe pushing real deployment to 2026. Figures close. They've got BMW locked in, but they're scaling deliberately, not rushing. Unitree wins on speed and costs. Semi-analysis says their G1 ditches U.S. parts, dodging tariffs and slashing prices. Goldman Sachs predicts 250,000 industrial humanoids shipped by 2030. And China's poised to flood that market. Tesla's got deeper AI, Gronk, 3S, a beast. But production's their bottleneck. Figures AI is slick, but they're not mass producing yet. Unitree is not perfect, less versatile than Optimus, but they're first because they're already moving units. Want to ride this wave? First, watch costs. Tariffs mean import hurt. Test a local supplier for one product. See if savings hit 10%. Second, dip into AI. Free tools like Google's Gemini can automate emails or schedules. Save a few hours weekly. Third, prep for robots. Unitree's cheap bots could hit warehouses soon. Budget $10,000 to pilot one. You don't need Musk's cast. Just start small and adapt. Here's the takeaway. The AI robot wars are wild. Tesla's dreaming big. Figures nailing it. But Unitree's likely first to market in 2025, thanks to China's hustle. This isn't sci-fi. It's your next employee or home helper. Feeling pumped or nervous? Drop your thoughts below. What's your bet? Hit like if you're rooting for robot revolution, and let's keep decoding this future together. Take care, and hopefully this was informational for you and you got a lot from it. Bye.